you go. Here's our left-hander. Oh, good job. Yeah, good job, Charlie. Oh my goodness. What happened? Oh yeah, that was exciting. Okay, put the ball up there. Let's hammer that ball. It's hammer time. Can you hammer it? Good job. Good job. Charlie, you're a good hammer guy. I'll give you that much. Nice work. Yeah, I got stuck, didn't it? There, you got it. Okay, there's one. Always in the right colors. Pretty interesting. Nice work. Let's see, does he always have it in the right colors? Oh, no, he mixed it up that time. Good job, Charlie. Oh, and the red one. No, and the green one. Okay. Whack. Whack that bad boy. Good job, Charlie. Charlie?
Ew.
Yeah. Boom. Charlie, what's this? What's this?